AI didn't slow down this week, and neither are we. From drones flying your deliveries to a movie written entirely by AI to OpenAI's jaw-dropping new tool. This week has been wild. Let's break it down together. First up, autonomous drone delivery. Imagine looking up and seeing your groceries or meds flying toward you. That's no longer sci-fi. Major cities have started testing drones that drop packages right at your doorstep. No traffic, no drivers, just fast, clean delivery. The future of logistics is officially airborne. Now, this one gave me chills. At Cannes, a short film written entirely by artificial intelligence just premiered. And it wasn't a gimmick. The story, characters, even emotional beats, all crafted by AI. Critics were shocked, and honestly, kind of impressed. This might be the moment we remember as the start of AI-driven cinema. And finally, something that genuinely blew my mind. OpenAI released a tool that can generate 3D models just from your voice. You say, "A dragon made of glass," or "a floating gaming cafe," and boom, it renders a 3D model in seconds. For designers, gamers, or anyone with a vision, this changes everything. Which story hit you hardest? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. And hey, if you want to stay ahead of the AI curve, subscribe to SynthMind. We're now breaking down the biggest AI news every Saturday. Real updates, no hype. Just what you need to know. Next week, we're diving into an AI that's creating music more emotional than humans. You don't want to miss it. See you in the next one.